This is the Amari refugee camp near Ramallah. We've come here to meet with some of the residents, but particularly the leaders of the council here, who are elected every 2 years to run the camp and to actually provide facilities for women, for children, for people with disabilities, and they do that all themselves. They organise it themselves in the camp. The camp's been here since 1948, and there are 8,500 people living in a very small area. You can see the street behind me here is quite narrow and not made, but some of the streets are very, very tiny. The houses are very high. They've built story after story to accommodate members of the family, because the people living here simply can't afford to buy homes outside of the camp in Ramallah. They just don't have enough money. The camp is funded by UNRWA, but they provide the basic services. The other activities in the camp have to be provided by the people themselves, and they are very well organised. We've been talking to them this morning about the activities that they provide. But of course they are refugees, and more than anything they feel very, very strongly about the homes, about the land that their families lost in 1948, the land that still belongs to them. And if the occupation was to end, then they would have their own land, their own homes. That's their hope, that's our hope too. This is the last visit of our short but very busy trip to Palestine, and there's no better way to finish up than in a school here in the Amari refugee camp, with the young boys playing football, enjoying themselves like boys anywhere else, except that they are living in a refugee camp without all of the things that most of us take for granted. But this is the next generation, the generation of the future, and I think that their smiles show that they are full of hope, and we have to believe that we can build a better future.